2020 has been a year full of challenges for many of us, and at Habitat for Humanity of Greater Sacramento, we've certainly seen plenty.
When COVID and the shelter-in-place orders hit back in March, we were forced to close our restore, the sales from which support our operating expenses, which in turn meant we had to furlough 90% of our staff and close our construction sites.
But guess what? Because of you, we built back, and we kept building.
We built 5 new homes for low-income families.
Low-income families who now have safe, decent, and affordable housing that they own and where they can build equity for themselves and their children.
And we have another 14 new homes under construction.
And we completed 29 home repairs for low-income families, seniors, and veterans.
Including home repairs for a World War II veteran and his wife so they can remain in their home and age in place with dignity.
And we've got over a dozen more home repairs planned over the next 3 months.
We did a Home Together campaign and took our signature events like the Women Build and the Gala virtual, and you, our community, showed up.
Showed up big time. This year, 2,096 donors gave 5,777 gifts.
We celebrated 35 years of building hope and homes in our region, and that legacy will continue because of you and your steadfast support.
We broke ground on our second largest development in history, a project that will house over 60 low-income individuals, including 40 children.
Our electrical crew ran miles of wire.
And started a large-scale community project with the Fruit Ridge Community Collaborative, which will impact over 2,000 individuals and the 22 nonprofit organizations which operate there.
And while Rock the Block may have looked a little bit differently this year, we did it.
Our homeowner partners helped put in over 2,800 hours of sweat equity, helping to build their homes and homes of other Habitat families.
And though due to COVID-19, we may not have been able to host as many volunteers this year, hundreds and hundreds of volunteers still put in over 12,000 volunteer hours on our job site, in the Restore, and on various committees.
Speaking of the Restore, despite unprecedented challenges this year and having been closed for 2 months due to COVID-19, because of your support, we were able to bring in over $1 million in sales.
And divert over 1 million pounds of reusable materials from the landfill.
Because of you. You!
You and President Jimmy Carter.
And because of you,
we kept building.
We were able to keep building.
And through build, repair, and community projects in 2020, we have impacted over 3,500 individuals,
including dozens of children that now have a safe, decent place to live, grow, and thrive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for helping us keep building.
And reminding us in times even when we felt alone.
That you were standing beside us, ready to build.
Thank you for sticking with us as times have gotten tough, and for pivoting and changing with us so we could keep doing all of the things we do, and so we could keep building.
And thank you for sticking with us now and helping us continue to build forward no matter what.
Because the work at Habitat is not done by one person or a small group of people.
It's done by all of us.
All of us.
All of us!
A community.
Working together.
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you for being a part of our Habitat family.
We've got big plans for 2021, and the need for what Habitat does will be greater than ever.
We hope we can count on you to build with us again.
Because of you, we will keep building.
Thank you for helping us keep building.